This is how you disable Microsoft Defender in Windows 11. So first of all, let's go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, and go down to Manage Settings, and let's turn off Tamper Protection. There we go. And now we're going to need to go into a registry editor. So just hit your Windows button and type in regedit. So go at the top here to Computer, HK Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender, and then here you are. And then let's create a new DWORD. Let's create a 32-bit value and give it a name of Disable Anti-Spyware and hit enter. And we need to give it a value of 1. So let's double click it. And you can see it has a value of 0. Let's change that to 1 and hit OK. Now we need to create another one. So again, 32-bit value. Disable real-time monitoring. Hit enter. And again, give it a value of 1 and hit OK. Now let's create another one, Disable Antivirus, and we'll also give this a value of 1. Now we need to create one more yet, and this one will be Disable Routinely Taking Action, and we'll also give this a value of 1. And now another one. Yes, you do actually need to create all these because Windows Defender will automatically restart itself. Even if you disable it maybe in another way, it will re-enable itself because it is very persistent and it feels like it needs to be there, or it's been programmed to be that way. So there's kind of a lot to put into disabling it. This one is Service Keep Alive. And you'll also leave it at the default, which is 0. So don't change this one to a value of 1. So now we need to create a new key in here inside Windows Defender. So right click on it, new, and then hit key. And we're going to call this real-time protection and then go into it. Okay, now over in the right side here, we need to create a list of new 32-bit values again. So first one is called Disable Behavior Monitoring. And again, give this a value of 1. The next one is Disable On Access Protection. Give it a value of 1. The next one will be Disable Real-Time Monitoring. And then another one, this one's called Disable Scan on Real-Time Enable. Now we need to create another key inside Windows Defender called Signature Updates. Now we need to create one new 32-bit value in here, which is called Force Update from MU. And now we need to create another key again inside Windows Defender, and this one is called Spynet. Inside this one, we just have to add one value, which is disable block at first seen. And also give this a value of 1, so enable it. And that's it. So quite a list of keys that we had to add, and values as well. But like I said, Windows Defender is very persistent and set up to be so. So it's not very easy to disable. You can also do it in a group policy editor, but there it likes to re-enable it and still kind of overwrite what you're doing. So this is the most effective way to do it, and also works for both Windows 11 Pro and Windows 11 Home. If you have Windows 11 Home, you don't have access to group policy editor necessarily, so doing it using the registry editor is the most universally available and a for sure way to disable it. So after all this, you just have to restart your computer and Windows Defender should be disabled.